Hello friends, welcome to our channel, and in this video we will learn the most important use formulas in Excel. We have the certain data which includes the student ID column, we have the student name column, we have the marks column, and the last one we have the percentage column. We need to find out the percentage of the marks, and similarly we have the certain other formulas like total. We need to find out the maximum, minimum, count, and the last one is average. So we start for example. First we need to find out the percentage, so we simply need to use the basic operators to find out the percentage. So we use here equals to bracket open. After opening the bracket, we need to select the marks cell, then divide by the total marks. We are assuming the total marks 400 of 4 subjects, each consisting of 100 marks. So the total marks is 400, then close the bracket and enter. This is how we got the percentage, but the data or the percentage result is not in the percentage format. So we simply need to go here in the percentage style and click on it. So it gives us the data in percentage. Now you can increase or decrease the decimal from here. Like if I increase the decimal, so you can see the changes. Now we simply need to drag it down the same formula, and you can see here the changes. Now we need to find out the remaining formulas. First one is our total. So we select the cell, write equals to, and to find out the total we use the sum formula. Open the bracket. In the numbers we select the whole marks cell, then close the bracket and enter. This is how we got the total marks. Now if we need to find out the maximum marks in the column, so we write here equals to max max, bracket open. Now again numbers, we select the whole marks column, close the bracket. This is how we got the maximum value out of the marks column, like 389 here you can see. Now we need to find out the minimum value, so I just write here min, bracket open. Again select the marks column and close the bracket. This is how we got the minimum value. Now if we need to count the number of students, so I just write here equals to count, bracket open. In the count it says values, so we select the student ID column. Now close the bracket. It gives us 13. It means the total number of students are 13. Now we need to find out the average, so write equals to AEAVER average, bracket open. Again we need to give the numbers and close the bracket. This is how we got the marks, percentage, and the numbers. Now if we need to test out the formula, we simply change the values. Like if I write here 400, so you can see here we got the 100 marks. You can see the maximum value 400, it changed the minimum and the average. If I change to 100, so you can see here the minimum value is 100, it changed the maximum value, and it changed the percentage. This is how you can create the whole MS Excel formula sheet.